Most Protectli vaults outside of our V1000 series come bundled with a VESA mount. The VESA mount is a family of standards defined by the Video Electronics Standards Association for mounting flat panel monitors and displays. Here's how it's done. All you'll need for this is any vault unit produced by Protectli, a VESA mount with accompanying screws and mounting standoffs. If your vault did not come with a VESA mount, they can be purchased separately on our website at protectli.com. A Phillips head screwdriver, an optional drill if you need to drill your own holes, and something to mount the product to, such as a wall or monitor. First, screw the 4 mounting standoffs into the bottom plate of your vault by hand. Next, locate the 4 holes on the back of your monitor. If you're mounting the unit to something else that requires you to drill your own holes, make sure all 4 holes are equidistant and precisely 75 or 100 millimeters apart. If you choose 75 millimeters, you'll use the inner holes on the mount, and if you choose 100 millimeters, you'll use the outer holes. Carefully screw in the mount with the circular portion of the screw holes facing upwards so the vault can fit properly onto the mount. Once the mount is secure, simply slide the vault into the mount from the top and installation is complete. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.